Today I'll be teaching you guys how you guys can select English in Duolingo app. It's pretty simple. So at the top left corner you will see the flag whichever country's language you're trying to learn. So I'm trying to learn Japanese, that's why it's showing me the Japan's flag. So I will click on it, but you need to click on whatever flag is being shown to you at the top left corner. Click on courses. Once you click on courses, try to find English. Now the reason English is not being shown to me over here is because the current language which I'm using on Duolingo is English. So Duolingo thinks that I already know English because I'm using this app on English. So what I need to do is scroll all the way down and click on more. Once I click on more, it says for Arabic speaker. So anybody who knows Arabic, they might not know English. So the first option which shows the United States flag, that is basically English. If I click on it and I click on continue, I will be able to learn English, but it's going to teach me English through Arabic. If I don't want to learn English through Arabic, I can go to Bengali, I can go to Chinese. Now, whichever language you currently speak, choose that language and then click on the American flag and click on continue. And then it's going to teach you how to learn English from that language. So I hope you understand how you guys can select English language in Duolingo app. Hit the subscribe to our channel one step for future videos of Duolingo like this. I'll see you guys next time.